Question 11, we've got to subtract these two mixed numbers, and you guys might like to put one underneath the other like so. 145 and 2/3 minus 27 and 1/2. And just by looking at that, you might be able to tell that 2/3 is more than half, so we're not going to have to borrow anything in order to subtract. But even if you don't see that, we might as well go ahead and find a lowest common denominator so that we can subtract these fractions anyway. So you're going to have to do it anyway. And once we find the lowest common denominator, then we'll know for sure whether or not we need to borrow. So what do you multiply by to make sure these bottoms are both the same? About 2 times 3 here, right? And that would be sixths, right? So I'm multiply top by 3 as well, right? And then 3 times 2, that would also give us 6. So we can make both the bottoms, turn both bottoms into sixths, right? So I'll multiply this one by 2 over 2 and this one by 3 over 3. So this one becomes 3 sixths and this one is 2 times 2, 4 sixths. Okay. So what we have is in fact 145 and 4 sixths minus 27 and 3 sixths. And now of course, like you're going to subtract the whole numbers and then subtract the fractions. And these fractions are going to subtract. So like the 4 sixths minus 3 sixths is going to give us 1 sixth. And I go 145 minus 27, and I need to do a bit of borrowing here, so that becomes 3, this becomes 15. 15 minus 7 is 8, and then 13 minus 12 is 11. So answer would be 118 and 1/6. Let me write them beside each other.